February 22nd, 1917. My own darling. I have nothing to write about except that I have had a beastly cold which I got when in billets. I was feeling pretty bad when we came back to dugout life, but I stopped in bed for a day and I'm shaking it off. The weather is vile, a heavy mist with drizzling rain. The frost is coming out of the ground slowly and the trenches are slipping in badly, so we have rather more than the usual mud bath. Luckily, we have the mist which hides our movements, so we take advantage of it to go overland wherever possible. But there are so many rainy trenches everywhere that one has to continually climb down and out of them. Things are fairly quiet. The enemy, I suppose, are just as badly off as we are, and everything seems to show that they are heartily sick of the war. Theirs is not a pleasant one, as in their corpse front raids are made daily, and all are successful in doing them harm, generally with very small losses to ourselves. We are all wondering when and where the big German push is coming off. Probably very shortly now, as I can't believe they will wait for us to start the ball rolling. We have had no mail for quite a time, and I haven't seen a paper for 5 days. You will soon be tearing loose from Vancouver now. I hope you won't miss it too much. Goodbye, dear. Lots of love and kisses.